Alright guys, so this unit was sent to me from PremierLaceWigs.com. This is a Kinky straight 360 lace front wig. So this is Indian Remy hair. It's 22 inches long. It's a natural color. So I have a medium to average cap size. This unit is 150% density, so it's considered a thick wig density, hence the fact that this is Kinky straight. Now this is a pre-plucked hairline. It is also a bleached hairline as well. There's about 4 to 5 inches of parting space in the front and about 2 inches of parting space in the back. So basically what I'm going to do is go in with the Got To Be Glue Blasting Freeze Spray. I'm going to use this and a little bit of Got To Be Glue just to fix the imperfections. Now once this does dry over, I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig down. This process is very simple. It's just like any other process you'll do when you're applying your units down. So it's just going to take me a few minutes. I am going to wrap my head and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like once it's completely dried down and it's completely in place. So this part is very simple. In this part, I'm just going in and customizing the air tab area so you can see how natural the air tab and the hairline goes through. So this part, I just added this part in to show you guys how I get my air tab area to be nice. So this part right here, I did go back in and straighten the hair out a little bit more. I want it to be a little bit more sleeker, a little bit more straight and nice. So you guys can see how long it is. It's super long, 22 inches long. I honestly believe that this is more than 22 inches long. It's probably like 24. So at this part right here, this is day 2 of the install. So I slept on it, I wrapped my hair. It's basically really flat and natural, so I really wanted it to be like a nice flat base. I am going to do a nice little cute little pulled back hairstyle on the side just to give myself a little bit of a different look, a little bit of a different flair. Guys, so this is the finished look of this unit. So I'm coming day 3. So I showed you guys it day 1 when I installed the unit. Day 2 I came back and I showed you guys the unit when it was kind of straightened a little bit more. So this is what it looks like now. So I didn't completely straighten it. I straightened it to the point where it's kind of nice and slick compared to kind of how big and bulky it was in when I first got it. So this unit was sent to me from PremierLaceWigs.com and I'm going to read it off my phone so I get all the specs. So this is a Kinky straight 360 lace wig. It is Indian Remy hair. It's 22 inches long. It's a natural color. I have a medium average cap size, and this is 150% density, guys, which is thick density in their opinion. But I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. 150 for this type of texture is a very thick. The hair is super, super thick, guys, and super long. And I did show you guys a wig from Wild African last week that I said was like the best, like kind of like yucky wig. Although that one is a glueless wig, so therefore you didn't have to glue it down or anything. But guys, this is my new favorite wig. It is super gorgeous. The length is perfect on this unit, 22 inches long. And look at how pretty this texture is. Oh my gosh, guys. And even over here, I didn't even do any baby hair magic to this wig. I only did just kind of like a smooth kind of transition into it, so it looks really, really natural. I kind of feel when it comes to kinky hair, doing baby hair magic just does not look that good. So I wanted to keep the surface as slick as possible, so therefore when you kind of approach me, it looks really nice. I absolutely love this wig, guys. I had this on for 3 days and I have not taken it off. I did show you guys that I used the Got To Be Glue blasting spray with the Got To Be Glue to put this down. So it was an easy install. This will last me about a few days, so I'll probably take it off like after this and just do another video, but I do like this wig overall. It's a very nice, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys. If you're interested in purchasing this unit from PremierLaceWigs.com, do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.